Hey, let's get the tab name in a cell. So this seems pretty straightforward. We have a tab and we have the name of the tab. And for every tab in our spreadsheet, it has a different name. And we can edit this name. Like we can go in here, double click, and write this sheet. And we can name these for many different things. Sometimes we want to print a sheet out. We want this tab named somewhere. So, but we want it in a nice way. So we can create print-friendly tab names, or we want to share some context-aware sort of status or instructions, and we need to get the tab name into a cell. But sometimes we also want to add that tab name that we edit into row data. Maybe we're aggregating everything. We're taking all of the sheets in a across the spreadsheet, and we're putting it all in one sheet, but we want to know what tab did that data come from. So this is how we do it. We're going to create a custom function actually here, because when we go to equals tab name, there's nothing. Tab sheet. There's no formula for it, but we'll create our own. It's actually very quickly. We can do this. Extensions to you two in your sheet have this app script. We're going to rename it this sheet. We're going to rename this function tab name, and all we're going to do is return spreadsheet app dot get active sheet. We're going to get that name. That has to be, and I want to make sure you get this right, capital A and S for active sheet and capital N for get name. And we have to have the parentheses. Let's save that. But we want to do one more thing, which actually, let's create this as a custom function. We'll just add a slash and 2 stars and say at custom function. Why? Because that actually turns it into a function we can get with autocomplete. I'll show you. So let's go to our B1 where we want to put the sheet name. Equals tab, and there it is, tab name. Well, in that parentheses, it's loading, and it says the sheet. So now, cell B1 has the name of the sheet here. Let's create another sheet and say, call this another sheet. You see, it says copy of the sheet, which is the original name of the tab. So this doesn't really auto-populate, but we do have the ability to delete it and add it again. And it'll load again, and there it is. There's the name of the sheet. Will this auto-update? This should auto-update at some particular time. It could take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but it should auto-update eventually. Or you can just reload the sheet or reload the cell. There you go. That's how to get the tab name in a cell. It's just app script, return spreadsheet app.get active sheet. Get name.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.